Hi everybody. So I'm doing this video a little bit different because normally I record and then I do my voiceovers, but to show you the binder, I really wanted to kind of talk and do this at the same time. So we're going to see how this all goes. Sorry if you hear stuff in the background. My dad is watching TV, but I'm trying to get this up before the whole year is gone and you guys don't see the completed project. So I'm going to hold it up. Here's the front, Jesus. What can I call it? Yeah, the front of the binder. We had did this the very first video. And the inside, I didn't do anything with this. I like the first page. I did have some extra photos that I had taken that didn't have a place according to what we created, but I had already printed them, so I just kind of tucked them in the pocket there. And then we'll start to go through. So this one is my Christmas tree for this year, and I put over on the other side, the matching side, close-ups, the tree skirt, because you couldn't see it in this photo. And on this one at the bottom, it's probably hard to see, but that's my cat. Getting a little too close. So I wanted to document that. And then this side, I put an image of the ornaments, and I wanted to put my drinks for my hot drinks that I had in the month of December. One from Dunkin', one from 7 Brew, which was really good. It was like a, I forget what they call mistletoe chai, they called it. It was really good. I love chai teas. They're so spicy. This I'm recording because I went to one of the stores that my company has to help out, and so this was me in the hotel room, and I always like taking these little like cropped photos, so I had to document that. And then everywhere I went this year and they had a Christmas tree, I took a selfie, okay? And I like that a lot of times it's like part of the face is cut off. So I had these two were at the courthouse where I go for work sometimes. And then this was at that store that I went to go help. Selfie with the tree they had. And then this was also at the courthouse, and then this was at the store. Beginning of December, I was doing an advent calendar with tea, and I just put the cup up to the top. So, yeah, my little selfie section. And then I forget exactly what day it was, but I went and I got my hair done in December. So in this little flap here, I put my selfie with my braids, and then I'm going to do a little writing. And what I like about this binder is that I can take this piece out, right? And then if I want to write over here, I can lay it down flat and write and do my journaling. So that's why I put that there. I thought that would work really good. Okay, so I got a bigger picture of the ornaments so you can see some of the bulbs, and then these beautiful butterflies I got from Home Goods, and I put that with this because I love these ornaments on this side, so I figured it ties in. On this page is all about my little scrapbook store. So the first 12 days of Christmas, we had sales, live sales. And so I took 2 snapshots from that. And then this was the last sale in December. We did that Saturday. I want to say it was the 30th. So I put them both together. So the beginning of the month and the end of the month for what I was doing on those days, I guess. On this one, I did pictures of gifts that were sent to me from Gina. These were already in the book from when I was putting it all together. And then on this page, I decided to put, originally, I didn't have that one. I had this one when I did the videos, remember? Because we put more ornaments. So this was our pencil tree that more times out of not, this is the tree that we were using for Christmas. And I always love it. I still love it. It's like brown and blues. But this was a tree that my aunt got when she first moved in with us. And it's huge. It's a huge tree. So huge, in fact, that I wound up giving it to the job because it's just too much for us to bring out every year. It's so heavy. It's ridiculous. And then we have our divider. And then on here, we have these flip ups. And actually, I put my photos in backwards. So I'm going to slide them out real quick. Hold on. Because I put it in the correct way and I got to put it upside down. Let me do this one because we got flip ups, right? So on this page, it's a little interactive. Let me do it again. And so at this point, I wanted to talk about my favorite Christmas movie. And what I'm going to do is, since we have this lined paper over here, I'm going to talk about it on this side. But I put the photos over here in the flip up. So this is like an element from the actual movie when I was watching it this year. And this was not 22 and 21 when me and my mom watched it that year. So I'm going to talk about that. The other Christmas movie that I always like to watch because it was my mom's favorite is this Christmas Carol. There's so many different versions, but she really loved the George C. Scott one. So I got this off of the internet and put it in the book. And then I just put the White Christmas again, and then here I did A Diva's Christmas Carol. It's still the same Christmas Carol, but with Vanessa Williams. Oh my God, I love it. And I try to find it every year. Sometimes they don't play it, but if I could ever get this on DVD or digital, it will be in my collection. And then over here, I liked how this picture turned out. It's also of my Christmas tree, but I'm showing, because this has like a flock on it, so it looks like snow on the tree. So I thought that was really cute. And in White Christmas, you know, they had that song, Snow. Now here, I copied a list from the Hallmark holiday movies. And then this is open to put a list. Now, unfortunately, I didn't watch many of those Christmas movies this year. So I'll probably just put the ones that I watched, which are my go-tos. White Christmas, The Christmas Carol, and then I watched actually a Christmas movie. Was it on Bounce? Oh my God. It wasn't even Hallmark, but I'll put that down. It was like a Family Matters Christmas or something like that. It was really good. It was cute. It was cute. Okay. So then we have just the regular page. And then this I wanted to document about my work Christmas party. So I took a selfie at the restaurant. This was my holiday drink, which was delicious. So I'll be talking about that. Over here, because I can't help myself with selfies and Christmas trees, I had to slip one in again. But on this side, I'm continuing with, this is the meal I had. This is our group photo at the restaurant. And then me and my friend Barry, he's a salesman at my job. He and I took a little selfie at the table. And then the next page here, I did with Christmas lights, because Christmas Eve night is the tradition in my neighborhood. Me and my aunt, we get in the car and we drive around and we just look at all the different lights. And yeah, the photo quality isn't the greatest, but I remember, you know, looking around and what they look like. This guy right here is actually probably my favorite. He has the entire front yard full and Christmas music's playing. It's the house to see. And then that's the house again without the car in front of it. Okay. And then in here, if you want, you could pull this out and put some elements in there if you have anything. I probably could even like slide. Let me just show you. So, not this one. For instance, like this is a picture of my cat in one of the open boxes. I could just go and put that right in there. Just like that. If I wanted to save one of the photos in there, and then I could also just make a little note about that. And then this is all about our Christmas dinner. So I made ham, macaroni cheese, greens, and candy yams. And then I made up the cheddar biscuits that come in the freezer from Red Lobster. And it was really good. And it was the first time I really cooked with using one of my mom's recipes that she had written down. So I took a picture of the candy yams and then, of course, of the plate. And then this one, I wanted to go over, last year we all got together on the design team. We had a Zoom call, like a little Zoom with Michelle, and she had gifted us these tumblers. And then this year we did the same thing. Beatrice was missing. If she ever takes the picture with her shirt, I'm going to plug her in just like I plugged myself in. Because last year, I wind up not being on at the same time as everybody. Because that was right after my mom had passed. But I took a picture and sent it, and we were able to combine it. And you wouldn't know that I wasn't there at the same time. And I love that. So I put those two here. And then I put in another little selfie of me with my Christmas holiday drink, because it was really good. Now, if I wanted to, I could put a little like journaling bit here, which I may do, just to talk about the ladies and what I'm most grateful for this group. And it brings me great peace. So I may talk about that. This page, well, the 2 pages, is all about my advent calendars I got, which is the tea advent calendar, and then this is showing one of my favorite hot cocos from my cocoa advent calendar, and this was the white chocolate cocoa. And then this picture is just me pouring the tea on day 1 of my tea advent calendar. Now this I did at work, and the cocoa I did at home. But I decided I definitely liked the advent calendars. It was a little bit disappointing on the tea because it was the same flavor like each column. Like it didn't change. Once you did the first 5 days, that was it. But the cocoa one was awesome. It went really far into it before it started repeating again. And even with the repeats, I just put them into my Keurig drink holder. So I still have some if I want to go back and have the gingerbread cocoa, or I think I have the mocha. I drank both the white chocolates because they were off the chain. I really like that. All right. And then I'm going to do a bigger spread on this, but on January 1st, I received a message that my niece got engaged, and I'm so happy for her. So I wanted to include that into my book as my very last day. And then there's still room even on this side back here where we can make notes about it. What I love about this sheet is it's lined, so if I wanted to, I could just jot a few notes right on here. But for the most part, really it's done, right? If I want to, I can go back and add dates or numbers or story 1, story 2. I had already used the one on, because this was actually the 8th, so I know that was the 8th. It's up to you, you know what I mean? And some of this, I'm gonna tell you now, most of it is not even in a date order. All I did was, if I chose one photo, if I had other photos that kind of went with it, I tried to make the spread about that. And then the whole movie section because I love films. Yeah, so it's fun. I really enjoyed this. It was a quick, easy project. I hope they do it again this year because I can guarantee you of all the stuff, I would probably grab this before anything else. So I did my second ever December daily. Awesome. So thank you guys so much for joining me. If you have any questions about this, I think Michelle may still have some of these available. And I mean, you could get it now and be ready for next year. So at the beginning of December, you're ready to go, you know, or, you know, if you wanted to go back, because some people don't do December daily in December. They work on it all year, getting ready for the next December, you know. Sometimes it's better because then you have everything already photographed and you can do it more chronological if you wanted to do it that way. All right, you guys. Well, thank you so much. Keep an eye out. I know I'm not sure when this video is actually going to be going up, but if it's before Friday... No, it won't be before Friday. No. The Friday's video will already be done. This will probably go on Sunday or Monday. So, if you guys have any questions, just leave the comments down below. And I'll see you guys with our next video. And welcome 2024. Alright, you guys. Thank you so much and have a great night. Or day.